Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arundhati and I am back again with long term video. काफ़ी टाइम हो गया कि मैंने लॉन्ग टर्म वीडियो शूट किया है फॉर यूट्यूब. आई हैव बीन वेरी कंसिस्टेंट विद शॉर्ट वीडियोज़ शॉर्ट्स बट लॉन्ग वीडियो डालना मैं भूल ही चुकी थी. अ लॉट एक्चुअली हैज़ बीन हैपनिंग इन लाइफ लेटली जिसके वजह से आई कुड नॉट मैनेज to do a long term video, but surely I am back again on track and is bar I will try my level best to be more consistent because I can see that there are a community that is building up in this channel and I'm very happy for that. A lot of support I'm getting from all you guys. So yeah, आज का टॉपिक आप टाइटल देख के ऑलरेडी समझ चुके होंगे that what is the topic and I am finally going to do Tir review. It has been such a viral sensational product all over internet. I really wanted to get my hands on it but unfortunately tir वाले या नायका वाले ये मुझे स्पॉन्सर तो किया नहीं है, तो ये मेरे खुद के पॉकेट से गया है. तो रिव्यू विल बी एब्सोल्युटली ऑनेस्ट. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू नो दैट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज वर्थ द मनी और नॉट, यू शुड बाय इट और नॉट, और अगर खरीदना भी है तो कहाँ से खरीदे, हाउ टू फाइंड द परफेक्ट शेड रेंज, then keep watching the video.
Yes, you guessed it right. I was trying it for the first time in front of camera and I did not try it before. I was super nervous for that. The packaging looks very luxurious. It's a 10 on 10 when it comes to the packaging. This is the applicator with which you are supposed to utilize the product. It also comes with this perfectly fine mirror and this is how the product looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. Talking about variations, this is the mask fit range and there are two other variations that exist in the market and probably I will be reviewing that later once I get my hands on it. But under this range there are 40 unique shades available, so it becomes a bit tedious to find the perfect shade. And if you want to know how did I got my perfect shade, that too from online purchasing, then there will be all details mentioned in the description box below or the pinned comment. So do check that out once, and after that also if you feel some issues you can reach out to me via comment. Moving forward, let's talk about the formula. So it's a hydrating foundation, I will say, that gives a semi-matte or dewy finish. When it comes to coverage, it's a high coverage foundation but with a lightweight texture. Unlike other formulas, this doesn't feel very heavy or cakey on the face just because it's high coverage. It claims to be smudge proof, transfer proof and mask fit, and I can assure that it is doing what it claims because it does not budge from your skin and also it feels sweat proof. I was sweating at this moment a lot but you cannot see that on my face.
So off camera जाके मैंने अपना full face कर लिया है. I have done with the blush and this is how the entire look came up. I absolutely love it. जिस तरीके से ये पूरा look create हुआ है. It's very simple, very natural, minimalistic, summer giving vibe look that has came out and I absolutely love the coverage, guys. इतना अच्छा, it is actually working like a filter and I have used a lot of foundation but this is gonna hit my vanity left right center. इसका मुझे PR मिले ना मिले, I am absolutely going to buy it again and again because ये literally एक filter वाला effect दे रहा है on face and I have heard that it oxidizes a bit. So इसीलिए even if this oxidizes, I believe कि ये मेरे shade range के आसपास रहेगा. It will not like magically disappear or something. So I genuinely love it and it's a 10 on 10 recommendation to you guys. अगर आपको एक अच्छे फाउंडेशन पे थोड़ा सा इन्वेस्ट करना है, this comes under 2K budget and सेल में आपको ये 1500, 1600 या 1700 के रेंज में मिल जाएगा. The big one, the one I got my hands on is the small one और ये मुझे नायका पिंक सेल में अराउंड आई गेस 1000 के आसपास मिल गया. हाँ, इट वॉज 1020 रुपीज़. मेरा ये छोटू वाला तो मेरे हाथ का साइज़ का है एक्चुअली, बट इसका बड़ा वाला मैं लूँगी. द बिग साइज आई विल परचेस. छोटा वाला मैंने इसीलिए लिया क्योंकि शेड रेंजेस काफ़ी ज़्यादा थे एंड आई वाज कंफ्यूज कि शुड आई गेट इट और नॉट. तो आई एम हैप्पी दैट द शेड केम एग्जैक्ट. विद दैट नोट आई विल क्विकली एंड दिस वीडियो. आशा करती हूँ दैट आई विल मीट यू गाइज अगेन very soon with some amazing product reviews again. And if you like this kind of videos, then do let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy. Love you. Bye.